Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch. Mine is already turned on, but if you need to turn on yours, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for a couple of seconds. Basically, until the watch vibrates and the Huawei logo appears on the screen. And once this logo appears on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, simply tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the Huawei Health application. And this part is a bit tricky on Android devices because there is no Huawei applications on the Google Play Store, at least no up-to-date Huawei applications. So what we need to do is to download and install the AppGallery and then use it to download the Huawei Health application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open a web browser on your phone. It can be any browser, but I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, tap on search and type in appgallery.huawei.com. Type in this address and tap on search, and it should direct you to this page. And on this page, tap on the download button, tap on install AppGallery, and wait until the file is done downloading. After it's done, you can open it by tapping on open. And if you see this pop up on the screen, tap on settings and allow installation of unknown apps from your browser by tapping on the switch, then tap on install and wait until the AppGallery is done installing. And after the AppGallery is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. Tap on next, agree, allow or deny the permission for the phone calls. And after that, the AppGallery should load, and here we have the featured page. Now, tap on search and type in Huawei Health. You should see this application. You can tap on it to select it. On this page, you can tap on the install button. If you see this pop-up, tap on settings, allow the installation of unknown apps for the AppGallery, then go back, tap on install button again, and wait until the application is done downloading. And once it's done downloading, you will see the pop-up on the screen. Tap on the install button and wait until it's done installing. And after the application is done installing, you will see the open button, and you can tap on it to open the app, or you can open it from the app menu if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on open. After the application opens, you will need to select a region. To do it, tap on the tab right here, scroll through the list, find the region you want, and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select United Kingdom, then tap next, next, agree. You can allow or deny the permission for the physical activity. I'm gonna allow it. Basically, if you want to use the app to track your activity, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Okay, once you're done, you should see the health page. Tap on the devices icon, tap on add device, tap on OK, tap on allow while using the app, and the app will start scanning for the nearby devices. It should find your watch. Once it does, tap on the link, and it probably wants you to log in into Huawei ID account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the register button right here to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and after you log in, you probably will be redirected back to the health page. The app basically will be reopened. Once it does, tap on the device icon or devices, tap on add device, and select your watch from the list, or rather tap on the link button next to it to start linking it. Allow or deny the permission to make or manage phone calls. Confirm the pairing on the watch. Confirm the pairing on the phone. Here you need to tap on the box to agree to the terms of use and tap on next. Here you can tap on next. Right here you can enable or disable the enhanced features like location services, user experience program, and stuff like that. If you want to use them, you can tap on the box to check it, and then once you check all of them, or the ones you want, you can tap on next and tap on OK. Looks like the app froze for a second. Let's wait. Okay, it went through. Right here we can check the box to auto download the updates if you want to. And once you're done, tap on continue. Done. Continue. Right here we can enable the phone notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to basically enable the option and allow some permissions. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel, then OK to keep the notifications disabled. I'm gonna show you how to enable them. So basically tap on enable. It will redirect you to the notification access. Here tap on Huawei Health, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back to the app and the notifications will be enabled. And here you can enable or disable notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically if you have the notifications enabled, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notifications from Discord on your phone, the notification from Discord will be forwarded to your watch. And if this option is disabled, they won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see them only on your phone. Okay, and once you're done, tap on done, OK. Here you can allow permission to manage call logs or access them if you want to. Basically, if you want to use the notifications like phone calls and stuff like that, you need to allow permissions for that stuff. And here we can enable Huawei ID sync if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on later, tap on OK, and then here I'm gonna tap on cancel. And after that, you should see the Huawei Watch 4 Pro on the device page. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, you will see that you can go through the tutorial by tapping on the next button. And then you need to wait until the configuration process is complete. But at this point, our watch is paired with our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.